Stop trying to download more motivation. You don't have a motivation problem, you have a bandwidth problem. Your brain is running too many background tabs. You're overheating, lagging, and crashing by 2 p.m. You don't need to wake up at 4 a.m. like a Navy SEAL. You don't need a complex 20-step morning ritual. You simply need to close the tabs. You need a factory reset. If your phone was acting this slow, you'd reboot it. Here is how to reboot yourself in 6 steps. Step 1. Install a firewall. When you wake up, your brain is in a receptive alpha wave state. It is highly programmable. If the first thing you see is TikTok or a text message, you are letting the world program you with anxiety before you've even brushed your teeth. Install a firewall. The first 30 minutes are for output, not input. No scrolling, no checking. If it's truly an emergency, they will call you. If not, it can wait. Protect your operating system. Step 2. Activate your hardware. You are a biological machine that charges via motion. A stagnant body leads to a stagnant mind. You don't need a gym. You need to signal the hardware that we are online. Walk outside. Do 20 push-ups. Jump rope. It doesn't matter what you do. It matters that you generate heat. Heat burns off the mental fog. Step 3. Run optical calibration. Your circadian rhythm is the internal clock of your motherboard. It needs light to sync up. Get 10 minutes of skylight into your eyes immediately. This isn't poetic advice, it's biology. This triggers a cortisol spike that wakes you up and sets a timer for melatonin to help you sleep 16 hours later. Stop looking at screens and start looking at the source. Step 4. Defrag your drive. Your brain is for generating ideas, not for holding them. When you try to remember your to-do list, you are wasting RAM. Get a pen. Write down the 3 mission-critical objectives for the day. Once it's on paper, your brain can let go of the anxiety of remembering it. You are defragging the hard drive so you can run faster. Step 5. Run a stress test. Every high-performance system needs to be tested. Do one thing this morning that sucks. A cold shower is the best tool for this. It sends a shockwave through your system that screams, "Wake up!" It teaches your brain that you are the admin, and your comfort is just a user setting that you can override. Step 6. Perform the nightly audit. So we're going to make a public contract right now. Here's what I need you to do. Go to the comments and write down the exact time you are waking up tomorrow to run this protocol. Not early, not soon, the actual time. Then write down which step you're most afraid to do, the one you'll want to skip. When you type both of those things, you're not just commenting, you're creating an implementation intention. Studies show this makes you 3 times more likely to actually follow through. Your comment becomes your contract. This community becomes your accountability system. Don't just watch, commit. Leave your wake-up time and your hardest step below. Let's see who's serious about the reset.